Hallelujah! Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Stacey coming at you live with another video, baby. If you guys have watched any of my last videos, you probably heard me talking about it. I'm not gonna stop talking about it. It is an important moment in my life, and I worked so hard to get here, and a lot of people couldn't do it. But guess what? I did it, and for that reason, I will talk about it at the mountaintops. But anyways, I'm graduating this Saturday. Not high school, college. We are blessed and highly favored on this side. If you're in college, you know that college can be hard, and it is clearly done a number on me. And that's okay, that's all right. Because in a matter of a week, we're gonna glow up. We're gonna do better for ourselves, okay? And if I'm being completely honest, this wig is not on my head. Stay tuned for me getting myself together this coming week. First things first, look at my nails. Don't look at them. I'm about to go get them done, then come back and show you guys. Be right back with new nails in 3, 2, 1. I'm on my way to my auntie's salon right now. She needs to curl. Well, she is going to be the lovely, lovely lady that she is. And curl my hair because she just let me like that. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm at the salon. Hello, everybody. That's my graduation vlog. Hello. We're about to curl my wig. I'm just so blessed to have an auntie like that. She's sick of me. This is the graduation hairstyle, especially this middle part, bust down, lace front. I didn't tell you guys this, but I got my nails done yesterday. I don't think you guys can see them. They're like crocodile. It's a little bit dark in here. I'm gonna show you guys later. I feel like a Puerto Rican in this hair. Puerto Rican.
You see the way it's running away? You don't know where it is. Next time when you wash a wig, divide where you want it to be divided when it's wet. That way it will be so much easier to deal with. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay.
More there.
Yeah.
More there.
This weekend, it'll take a minute to part it.
Put on gas and pull away in the game.
Run defensively and on the here in Milwaukee tonight, trade air.
Y'all, I've been running around all over the place. I have not been carrying this camera around, so I'm sorry that I didn't give you guys really the inside scoop on my whole graduation. But from the time that I leave this house when I'm graduating, I promise you guys are gonna be there like this. We're gonna be together. Everyone's getting ready. I'm about to put my wig on. Nails, check. I did a spray tan. Can y'all tell? It didn't make me darker, but it just gave me like a sun-kissed glow, so I like that. I did a video on it. It's coming soon, I promise. This is the finished product of the wig that my auntie curled for me. Just regular curls. I'm just gonna catch you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna carry you guys when I have the patience and the time to carry this big camera with me all around. Toodles! Hello guys. I am in the car with my dad. Daddy, say hi.
Hello.
We're currently driving to Amherst. It was like a 2-hour drive from my house. I've been in the passenger seat with all my stuff getting ready while my dad's been driving. Thank God for him, because I actually needed that. If I left and drove, I wouldn't be able to do anything that I did while I was sitting in this passenger seat. So I'm glad you had that idea, Daddy.
I knew it.
Yeah, but we're going. I'm about to be at my school. I feel like I'm gonna end up passing this camera over to Mercy so she can just take over the vlog from here. I mean, I want to be in the present and in the moment, so I'm gonna give it to someone who can just film. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm about to check in, give them my name, give them whatever they need, and I'm gonna go back to my daddy and get my shoes and my cap and gown. I mean my gown, because I got my cap. Everybody's looking at me because I'm carrying the camera. I don't give a damn.
As you get to the table, when you see spots open up, be sure to jump in and get to them. On the cards, there is a top section that is red, which is optional. That part is for photos.
Y'all, going to a PWI is just really funny because they're not used to the type of bad bitch that I'm used to, you know what I mean? Like, all of them came in like little white sundress type thing, you know? Wedges. I popped the fuck out and they're looking at me like, what are you wearing? If I was in this institution for 4 years, of course I'm going to just pull up in this in stilettos, okay? Okay, now to find my dad. Daddy. Any words for the graduate?
I'm so proud of my daughter here, Stacey. It has been a long journey which I'm proud about. I wouldn't mind doing this journey 1,000 times for more degrees, but for this one,
thank you, Daddy. Hey guys.
Now the graduates of the Department of Sciences.
Michaela. Stacey told us to record, so this is quite dark. Stacey, when you see this, just know I'm sweating buckets. Say hi.
Oh, college of natural sciences. I think this is her. You can't see us.
We too
You just have to believe
have
that we look
undergone
like a couple of baddies, okay?
Okay. Oh. I'm just thinking about the food we're about to grub on after the fact. Nobody looks like dress proper. They look like they woke up, put on a button up, and just, you know, go see a barber. Please. As if we didn't just already pay for 4 years of nonsense and then some. With style and grace. Guys, she's about to graduate. Hold on.
Stacey Theron.
Stop, I'm gonna cry, guys.
The tradition of the hat toss at graduation is
Guys,
regarded as a symbol of the end
our
of the
girlie
chapter
is right
in
here.
the
She's such a material girl. Yeah, get it, girl, get it. Me too, definitely. Yes.
We are all tired.
We can all go for it. Go now.
We got Philip over here. Her number one
Philip, say hi. What do you have to say? Philip's also graduating.
Public health major, minor, science, like.
Oh, okay. My fault. Anything you want to say to Stacey? Okay. Guys, hold on. We found her. We found her. We found the graduate. The graduate.
Call me.
Woman of the hour. Big fish. Guys, don't play with her. Let them know.
Don't play with me. I'm not one of them.
Yeah? See the drip? Big ice, yeah? You can't even get that in the store.
Time.
Very annoying.
Auntie Kabe. What do you want to tell the graduate?
Congratulations. First and foremost, I love her dearly. Secondly, I am so proud of her, and the sky is the limit, baby. I am so happy for your achievements. If it was not for God,
Amen.
this far.
Thank you, Auntie. I love you. Speak from the heart, from the soul, from the faith, from the
heart, from the soul, from the streets. I'm a bitch from the streets.
I am so grateful for this day. Can you be yourself?
Whoa. Mom.
Welcome to the Club of Psychology. We need you. You don't even know. This is a stepping stone. Step higher. We want you higher.
What?
Yeah.
Let's focus on the first stepping stone.
We need more.
What do you want to tell the graduate?
I love you and congratulations for graduating.
Thank you.
I love you. Oh, I love you more.
I love you. My cousin Leanne. I'm here with Leanne Dearest. And I want tacos, so we came to Casablanca. We want to eat tacos and we have to get drunk. Papa. Hey. Edward, say hi to the vlog. Corona, right?
Oh, we straight. And the salsa?
Oh, salsa.
Which one you're talking about?
Queso?
What does it have?
I mean, whatever that fucking means. Yeah. Daddy, pay attention. I know that you need a lesson, okay? This is the quick lesson for the non-English speakers, non-native to me. I'm bilingual. Bilingual, but I'm bilingual.
No, guys. What are you sipping on? What are you sipping on right now?
Don't show.
Don't show it? Oh, don't show. Oh, mad confidential. Hold on. Cut the cameras.
Jigs. What are you sipping on? It's short for what? Jigo. It's jigs. Jigs. What are you sipping on?
Drinking water and mind my business.
Veggie burritos. Please don't make me throw up. They're trying to find an alternative for Noelle because Shorty want to get vegan. Shorty's vegan on occasion. On occasion. Fucking shit. Girl, you girl. You in trouble. No, you did. Yes, ma'am. Yup. Pescado frito, pescado mami.
It's coming.
How you feeling? Michaela finally got her beverage. Talk about it. You're under 21, you do anything to get a quick drink. Stacey is continuing to dig into this dick. The quiz. Upon watching this footage, I realized the margaritas were speaking Mandarin. The tequila was speaking tongues. I just had to preface that because I don't want you guys to be like, what is wrong with her family? Alcohol. Let them know what it tastes like. It tastes like liquor. It tastes like straight. Right. No, guys, why? Take it to that. Take a trip.
No, but what if I say... And you're not doing it out of disrespect. It's just the...
Mama, Daddy got you. Daddy got you.
I got your back.
Daddy got a truck. Daddy. Stacey, I'm sending you my next. Okay. She's classy. My first purchase of my, like, if I make it big, these two right here, I know this one wants a truck.
Okay, I'll pick up.
Not no pickup truck. A nice luxury truck. I'm gonna get it for him. I proclaim it in Jesus' name. I'll get him a truck.
Amen.
My mom, she said she just wants a Lexus. I'm gonna have a Lexus.
Just?
I will get it.
It's a thing you guys do.
No, because
it means a lot when it's in Jamaica. It's in my face, but the thing...
I love my dad. Does my dad love me?
Yes, I do.
Marty, say something. Say something to my camera. Say something. Say something.
oh my god. Yeah. It's giving bachata. It's giving waistline. Guys, look how cute. Look like we love each other. Look at these two. What is happening? Who is it? What's happening?
Auntie, we grab. Scream. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Just scream like that.
Yeah. Period.
You ate that up.
Because it's like, you know, she's supposed to got already, right? There you go.
You picking up what I was putting down in the, you pick, okay, just make it sure, just, yeah. I in fact forgot to make an outro. Actually, let me get in the spirit of things, hold on. Yeah. This is my bust down middle part, 613, Brazilian lace frontal. If you made it to this point, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this. I know this video was a lot, but I still wanted to share this moment with you. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you like the video, stick around, mama. I'm here every Friday, or at least I try to be. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see from me. Like, genuinely, I'm not asking that for fun. I actually want to know. I want to cater to you. Maybe I can see you hard to say that. I don't that you matter what you do. Okay. Beyonce all on his mouth like liquor. Straight. Literally. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Toodles!